Hello everyone, my name is Galit and welcome back to another episode of Junk Journal with me. As usual, I'm starting out with choosing my page where I want to work on, and I landed up on this page with a map. This episode I'm documenting me sending a happy mail, which I'm very excited because this is the first time I'm sending one. As you've seen in my last episode, I've downloaded Barbara's printout. It's a vintage butterfly clip art, which is very beautiful, and I will link again her channel and her Etsy shop where I bought it. So yeah, I'm starting off with this beautiful envelope that I got from the Graphic Fairy. I will link her site below and her YouTube channel. And I really love this envelope because of the green stamps on it and the handwriting. It's just beautiful. And I thought a bit and I wasn't happy about the page that I was in, and I decided to look for another page. I still wanted the map, so I just searched for another page with a map. And yeah, I really love this because of the green flowers and the handwriting and the map. It's just beautiful, so I decided on this page. And I have this old tag that I made from scrapbook paper, and I didn't like the entire tag, so I just cut the tag, the bottom half of the tag. And yeah, I'm just using some scraps on my table, just looking, and I really love this fabric that I have. I took this seal wax image that I got from Daphne's Diary, I think, and yeah, I'm just trying it out. I'm adding a few more scraps and just trying everything out. I have another envelope from the Graphic Fairy, and I really love the area with the red stamp, so I want to use that as well. Now I'm taking threads and I decide on the gold one. I just cut a small piece and I rearrange it so it will be like more official. I'm just starting to cut everything that I want to the right size and have rough edges a bit. So yeah, I'm just gluing everything down, distressing everything that needs to be distressed. And I'm just collaging the page behind that envelope. Now I'm taking the piece of fabric, and at first I thought to glue it with the glue stick, but I took the fabric glue and I used that to glue the fabric onto the page. So yeah, I'm just looking how and where to put everything, and I really love this little red stamp popping out from underneath the envelope. Now I'm taking that butterfly that I wanted to use. These butterflies are so beautiful, Barbara. Thank you so much for making those. So yeah, at first I thought of choosing a couple, but at the end I chose that beige yellow one. Now I'm just gluing the envelope after I know that everything I want underneath is done. I'm taking this beautiful butterfly and I'm gluing it as well. This journal is very chunky. I mean very chunky. But and it's very hard to work with it because it's so huge. But I still love it so much. Now I'm taking the seal wax image, and I'm adding the thread, adding some glue stick, and yeah, gluing it onto the envelope and onto the page. And yeah, I really love how this turned out. It's so beautiful. So yeah, now I have this postage receipt, and it has a tracking number so we can track where the package is. And I really want to use that green postage as well, just to secure the envelope and to bring more of the green color onto that side as well. I also have these postage stickers that I got, and I really love this that says airmail, and I'm thinking where to put it, and I decided on the bottom left side. Now I have this pocket that I made a while ago, and I use it mostly as a template. I took a scrap of paper, very thin, because I didn't want to make this journal any more bulky. And I just cut the edges. Just cut it around my pocket template. I'm just distressing it and adding double-sided tape and add it onto the page. This ephemera is also, I think, from the Graphic Fairy. Now I'm taking my pouch with the stamping letters, and I'm taking my coffee dyed index card, And yeah, I'm just stamping Happy Meal. So after I finish stamping the letters, I cut it to the size that I wanted. I distressed it, of course. I'm putting some glue stick and I'm adding it to the page. I decided here to fold the postage receipt, and yeah, it looks much better. Before I finish this page, I'm adding 2 antennas for this butterfly. This is my final page. It's a very easy page to make, but very delicate and beautiful, and I love it. I love the colors, the neutral colors, and I love the pop of green and red. And yeah, I really love how this page turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next episode. Bye!